Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, grab your phone, and refresh your ClickBank dashboard. And there it is, $247 in profits, all from a single article you published just yesterday. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, and how you can apply the exact same strategy to start making money online. This isn't some push-button scheme or overnight get-rich-quick scam. This is a proven method that uses SEO, free tools, and one secret website that hardly anyone talks about. And the best part, you don't need any experience, no fancy paid ads, and no technical background. Stay with me until the end, because I'll break down every step I took to rank my article on Google's first page within 24 hours, and how that article generated $247 in commissions on the very same day. Before we dive in, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Now, let's get straight into it. Step 1. Choosing the right offer. The very first step is choosing the right affiliate offer. Not every offer is worth promoting. If you choose the wrong one, you can do all the work and still make nothing. For this, I go straight to ClickBank's marketplace. At the top, you'll see the option to sort by new offers. This is important because new offers don't have as much competition, which gives you an edge. Then, I apply the gravity filter. For those who don't know, gravity shows how many affiliates have made money with that product in the last 12 weeks. The higher the number, the more proof that it sells. As a rule of thumb, I always go for offers with a gravity score of at least 10. That way, I know the product is already converting. For example, I found an offer called NeuroQuiet. It's a supplement designed to improve hearing, focus, and memory. That tells me exactly who my audience is. People dealing with hearing loss, tinnitus, or concentration problems. Once you find an offer you like, click on promote, hit continue, and copy your affiliate link. Paste it into a notepad for later use. And that's step 1 complete. Step 2, spying on competitors. Now comes the fun part. If you want to rank on Google, you need to know who you're competing against. Google doesn't rank pages randomly. It looks at 2 things. 1, relevance. Does the content answer the searcher's exact question? 2, authority. Is the website trustworthy and credible? That means we can't just write any article. We need to publish content that is both highly relevant and hosted on a platform that Google already trusts. To do this, I use a tool called Neuron Writer. Don't worry, they offer a free account. Here's how it works. Type in your keyword, usually the product name plus review. For example, NeuroQuiet review. Choose your target country. I picked the US, and language English. Neuron Writer will then show you the top-ranking articles for that keyword.
Going to is as simple as going to clickbank.com and clicking sign up right over here, and then it's 100% free to join ClickBank. Create account, email address, choose your country, first name, last name, phone number, email, and password, and then agree to the terms and conditions. And then you'll be able to create an account, and then once you do that, you will be able to log into your ClickBank account, and it should look like this. So this was an account that I created a couple years ago. The username is ebookcrook. I was gonna sell ebooks, and it ended up not working. So I'm using this as my test account. So that is how you sign up for ClickBank. And now all we got to do is browse the marketplace. So if you come up here and click marketplace, you'll be brought to a page where you can browse thousands of products that you can promote and start earning affiliate commissions. And one thing I wanted to go,
you'll see their Google rank, their content score, and even their word count. Now here's the secret. If the top competitor has a content score of 69, your goal is to write an article that scores at least 70 or higher. That's how you beat them. So study the structure of their content, what headings they use, what keywords they target, and how long their article is. This gives you the roadmap to create something better. Step 3, writing the article. At this point, a lot of beginners panic. They say, but I'm not a good writer. How can I write a long, professional article? Don't worry, we'll use AI-powered SEO writing tools that do most of the work for us. Here's what you need to do. Choose a catchy title like NeuroQuiet Review. Does it really work? Add your main keyword, which in this case is NeuroQuiet Review. Set your target country to the US and the language to English. Pick a friendly, conversational tone of voice. Select the article size. I recommend a medium length of 2,400 to 3,600 words because longer articles usually rank better. Then, paste in the list of keywords and subheadings that you pulled from Neuron Writer. The tool will then generate a fully structured article for you, complete with an introduction, H2 and H3 headings, FAQs, and a conclusion. Your job is to tweak it a little, make it flow naturally, and most importantly, add your affiliate links in a smart way. Don't spam them everywhere. Instead, place them inside call to action phrases like,
says that the gravity is 231.39. The reason we get the decimals is because, like they said, it's not an actual number of affiliates. It's kind of, the numbers are skewed towards when the last affiliate commission transaction occurred. So that is the definition of gravity. I like to sort by gravity because it just shows you what has been performing the best. And Ted's Woodworking has been a top offer for a long time, but I'm not going to promote that for this case study. I actually want to promote Brain Training for Dogs, a unique dog training course. Easy sell. If I zoom in here, you could see that the initial commission per sale is $31.63. The average percentage that you're getting per sale, we're getting 75% commission. Average rebill total is $25. So I love promoting products that have a rebill because that just adds to the long-term value. And then the gravity is 178.49. So obviously this product's getting a lot of traction on the ClickBank marketplace. A lot of affiliates are starting to see success with it. And whenever you're doing your browsing on,
Click here to learn more about NeuroQuiet and how it can help with hearing support. Or visit the official NeuroQuiet website through this link to see today's special offer. That's how you write content that sells without being pushy. Now, this is the part almost nobody talks about on YouTube. You can write the best article in the world, but if you publish it on a weak website, it won't rank. The reason my article showed up on the first page of Google in less than 24 hours is because of the platform I used. This website already has high domain authority, which means Google trusts it. When you publish your content there, it gets indexed almost instantly, and it has a very high chance of ranking. That's the real secret sauce behind this method. And guess what? Hardly anyone in the affiliate marketing world is using this strategy. That's why it works so well. With this exact method, I posted my NeuroQuiet review article. The next day, I logged into ClickBank and saw 2 sales, one for $24 and another for $222.89. That's a total of $247 in a single day. Recap and motivation. Let's quickly recap the process so you can start applying it today. 1. Choose a new, high-quality affiliate offer with a gravity score of 10 or higher. 2. Spy on competitors using Neuron Writer, study their structure, and aim to beat their content score. 3. Write a professional SEO article with AI writing tools. Insert your affiliate links naturally and publish it on a high-authority platform. That's it, just 3 simple steps. No ads, no complicated funnels, and no expensive software. Just smart SEO, free traffic, and affiliate commissions. Remember, success in affiliate marketing isn't about luck. It's about having a strategy that works and actually following through with it. If I could rank an article and make $247 in one day, so can you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to click the bell icon and set it to all so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video.